Welcome to the Crypto Boss Ninja family. We are live.
Can I have $100?
Hold on. Let me get TikTok going, and then we'll get started. How's everyone's weekend going? How's everyone's Saturday going? We're gonna wait for some people to join because I did get started a little bit late. There's some things I want to look at. Bitcoin 2.0, obviously that is gonna be one of them. I was looking at this the other day at 10 cents when it was listed on Max Global, and now it's just going parabolic. I was thinking about buying. I'm like, no, it's probably gonna go to zero. Like most coins that Max Global lists on spot go to zero, or there's a massive dump after listing. This one, maybe there's a little bit of a dip, but for the most part, it just went straight up. Um, this is not the Mex Global one. For some reason, Mex Global does not have, it's not on TradingView yet. So this is the one on Polynex, which I think this is the only exchange it's on. Trading Polynex is the only place you can chart it besides Uniswap, and Uniswap charts don't have any liquidity. So let me go over to my channel, get live on TikTok, and then we can get going live. We're going to look at the real Bitcoin, and then we'll look at Bitcoin 2.0. We kind of see where it's going. Honestly, market cap right now, I don't know why CoinGecko is saying it's $1. But I guess if it is $1, the market cap's going to be around $18 million. So maybe on some exchanges it's $1. I'm not quite sure. If I go over to Coin market cap, what does it say it is? Bitcoin 2 is how much? That's saying $1 too, so I don't know where they're getting $1 from. I don't know. I'm not sure where that's coming from. But uh, maybe I need to go look and see what Mex Global says. That might be what I should do next. Or Dex Tools. Yeah, Dex Tools is what I meant. BTC2. See, that's only 54 cents. So I don't know where those two places are getting $1 from. I'm not quite sure I understand that. But I'm not sure. If you guys are not watching me on TikTok, I appreciate if you go over and hit the follow button on TikTok, Crypto Boss Ninja with two W's. Yeah, I'm trying to get it going right now. So, but Dex Tools is saying the market cap is 11.4 million. So, I guess if it goes to $1, market cap will be around 18 million. So that, yeah, this is something that could probably moon like Pepe. Honestly, we'll see. We'll see what happens. But with that being said, we are now live on TikTok, so if you guys are not watching me there, go make sure you hit the like button there. And bear with me. I know I'm a few minutes late, but we're going to get started. Okay, so right now, let's go over to Bitcoin. I'm going to chart it on Mex Global. We're going to start on the daily time frame like we always do. Hopefully everyone's having a great weekend. And yeah, let's get started on Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at $30,280. So I'm really trying to get this going. It does not want to work for me. I'm trying to hit the live, and it does not want to go live. I don't know what to do. Why is it doing this? This is kind of actually driving me insane right now. Okay, finally, guys, I'm sorry. We are going to get going here. All right, we are back live on TikTok. If you guys are not watching on YouTube, go make sure you hit go watch me on YouTube. Trying to get that active again. I don't know why. I know in a bear market, so maybe that's why there's a lack of views. But it seems like recently, last few months have been horrific as far as viewership goes. I'm not quite sure why it's so bad. Maybe I'm shadow banned. I don't know, but right now, Bitcoin is at $30,300. I still think you are in a flag on the daily chart. As long as you don't go below 29.5, I'm bullish. I've said this for the last week or so, and I will remain bullish. As long as you don't close a daily candle below 29.5, I'm bullish on the daily chart. You have support at 29,500, and it's kind of just that simple. To the upside, you have to get above, and you have to be above 30,300. That is also resistance slash support on the daily time frame. But honestly, if you get above 30,700, then I'm pretty bullish on Bitcoin. I'm not saying it's going to go straight to 37K, but if you break out of this flag to the upside, out of this bull flag to the upside, I'm looking at $37,100 basically is the measured move. So we'll see what happens, but this is what I'm looking at. Daily chart has room to go. It is crossing to the downside right now on the stock RSI, so that's not the best sign right now, but it looks okay to me on the daily chart. The 4-hour chart right now, 4-hour chart says yes, you can go. That 4-hour chart looks a little bit bearish, like a bear flag, but that could easily get moved to the upside based on the daily chart and where the RSI is on the daily chart. If I look at the 1-hour chart, 1-hour chart is getting overbought. You could definitely now, when you zoom in, I could definitely also see this as being a possibility of a bear flag on the smaller time frame, such as the 4-hour chart. So daily chart looks good to me, and I guess this bear flag could take you to the downside. Maybe this would be the bearish scenario, that you would actually get a move to the downside on Bitcoin, and the bull flag on the daily chart would play to the downside, and it wouldn't work out. Technically, bull flags play out 68% of the time, and bear flags play out 68% of the time, so the smaller time frame could take you a little bit lower, but as long as you stay above 29.5, technically the daily chart still moves you to the upside. Although if the 1-hour chart does dump like it says it wants to, 68% chance of the time it does, the measure move for that is $28,500, which would obviously negate the daily chart bullishness. So we'll see what happens, but that's kind of the bearish scenario, which I didn't see the other day because it wasn't. But more recently, now it is looking a little bit bearish on the 4-hour chart. So that is kind of the two scenarios. The daily chart looks bullish for a move to 37,200, but the 1-hour chart and 4-hour chart, especially the 1-hour chart now being overbought, looks like you could actually be in a bear flag, and that move would take you down to $28,500. So we'll see what happens. What do you guys think will happen? Let me know in the comment section below. Appreciate if you all guys also hit the like button. It does help me out a lot. So Bitcoin 2 continues to rip. I'm also in a short on Bencoin from 53, and now it's at 49, 10x short. Technically, the trade's only worth $50, so nothing crazy. But that is kind of what I'm looking at for the markets. Short on Ben and long on Bitcoin 2. But if Bitcoin wants to dump, there's a chance that Bencoin keeps dumping, and there's a chance that Bitcoin 2 will stall out and take a tumble to the downside. I mean, it's up 300% on the last 24 hours, so obviously it's about to make a new all-time high as well. It's, Bitcoin 2 could honestly, if Bitcoin wants to take a tumble, this could get wrecked. So it's a high-risk trade, obviously, but that's what I'm looking at. So long on Bitcoin 2 and a short on Bencoin. That's really the only two trades I'm in. If you guys have a request for an altcoin you would like me to look at, let me know and I will look at one. I do want to look at the Fear and Greed Index. How is that looking? Right now we're in greed at 56, so just be cautious. Bitcoin is now up to 68 now. Is that... This is 58. Interesting. So, if you guys have a request, let me know and I'll look at a coin. But that is kind of my little wrap up, my little market update. So, yeah. Just a second. Okay, so I'm going to make a video about this really quick. Thank you for whoever liked it on TikTok. I appreciate that. We need more of those kinds of people. Testing. I'm going to make a video on Bitcoin too. Why not? Welcome to the Crypto Boss Andrew family. Let's look at Bitcoin 2. It's a brand new coin that's out listed on Max Global. This is technically the Polynex chart because this is the only chart I could find TradingView where it's actually chartable. And for some reason, the Max Global chart is not listed yet. The 4 chart is overbought based on the stock RSI. It's about to make a new all-time high. The 1 hour chart right now it has a little more gas left in it. It's hard to do TA on these brand new coins. Market cap is around $10 million, and the 15 is overbought. Technically, according to this Ikimoki Cloud indicator, it says on the 15-minute chart, as long as you don't lose 42.7, technically you're still bullish. And on the 1 hour chart, as long as you don't lose 38 cents, 37 cents we'll call it, you're still bullish on the 1 hour chart. But we'll see what happens. The all-time high, I believe, is 70 cents, maybe 71 cents to be safe. But it's really different on all exchanges. I believe on Max Global it's around 55 cents. Now it's on 60 cents on Dex Tools. Polynex chart, it's 64 cents. But then I saw on Gecko and CoinMarketCap, they're both at $1. So I'm not quite sure where they're getting the dollar from, what exchange is at $1. And if that's the case, maybe it's a sign that Max Global and all these other exchanges could still get another 40% move to the upside at least. So we'll see what happens, but that's what I'm looking at. So I'm not going to be able to do much TA on this. It looks like you do have some support at 35, but this could also be a cup and handle, and if it is a cup and handle, you would then expect to get a little more downside action, kind of flag out here. You know, usually cup and handles do like this type of price action, and then they go down a little bit, up and down, and then they finally break to the upside. And then that would be your handle is a little more downside action, maybe back down to 60 or 55 cents. But if that were to happen, your measured move would be around $1, 95 cents to $1. We'll see what happens. Not financial advice. On a scale of 1 to 10 of how high risk it is, it's probably about a 9. So, but it is just something, a degenerate play that could honestly do a 10x still, because market cap is only $10 million, and it seems like it's done very well, up 300% today. But you would be probably FOMOing in at this point. So that's just something I'm watching at least for the next coming days. If you guys enjoyed this video, I appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next altcoin update. So if you guys have requests, let me know and I will look at them. But that's Bitcoin at 2 right now. It does look, it looks interesting to me. I will say that. I appreciate the likes on YouTube as well. I do appreciate that. So that is Bitcoin 2. It looks juicy to me. If you guys have a request, let me know and I'll look at them. Otherwise, with that being said, guys, that's going to be about it. Unless there's another request, I'm going to probably end the stream. I'll be back live Monday. I don't know what time because I'm going to be traveling again on Monday. I'll probably go live before I go. So probably Monday. I'm just going to tell you right now, I'm going to plan on going live at like, let's just say I'm going to go live at 9 a.m. Central Time Monday morning instead of the normal 8 p.m. Central Time, because I'm going to be on the road all day, and then that leaves the rest of my day for free, or it's free, and I don't have to worry about streaming the rest of the day. And I'll have to, so 9 a.m. Central Time on Monday is the next time I'll be live. But yeah. With that being said, I'm going to probably get on out of here and hang out with my family because I'm home right now. So if you guys have a request later on, go over and comment it in my YouTube, on my YouTube video, and I will go over on YouTube and post a video to YouTube about it. With that being said, guys, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, appreciate it. You hit the follow or subscribe if you guys are on YouTube. Hit the bell for notifications so you get notified every time I go live or post a video. And of course, smash the like button. I will see you guys in the next live stream Monday, 9 a.m. Central Time. Alright, so I'm going to go post this video really quick. Guys, I'll stay live on YouTube a little bit longer. If there's a request on YouTube, I will look at it. But typically I stay live on YouTube another few minutes just in case I get, some late viewers or whatever. Bitcoin 2 next Pepe. It could be the next Pepe, honestly, so we'll see what happens. I would not be surprised if it was. The next Pepe coin. I guess this is an interesting thumbnail, I guess. So, is there any requests on YouTube? If not, I will end this as well. But Bitcoin 2 is definitely a meme coin play for the next coming days. It's not something I would hold long term. But with that being said, guys, if there's no requests, I'm going to see you next time on Monday, 8 p.m. Central. That's usually when I go live. 9 a.m. Central Time on Monday for our next live stream. Until then, trade safe, have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday.